Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, aki hospital bahedo India but shabarni. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingsiyo ka paret, but pila bandai group ban kuli da ka education loan, pila aruban syukola ho number, kandai nyo, saw, san riu pranot, lani, kandai pran riu laisan, arn riwe, kandai pra.
Kumshi banta banyarap ye Gibril kibala kerni hak jingdi penbuat kibakan thup na duk kakiat ulrok bat kiwe mat kumjuru man ai min siem ye Gibril kibadan hapadang ke jingdu jingkerman hak jingem kaken hun kibala tiap kum kasur jingkerman society kala pli pajba no ya treatment and counseling center hanongpo town shopping complex kani gede ke jaka banya selok bat kibakum kita Gibril la pli kani ke jaka du ba meral bon siem UMLA jongkonongpo.
Police department but the health department gini kelai kendi kiba directly indirectly link bat ke society jong thi namarba fitre na kabanta jong itu ki bakli ki bangat ha kini kijinlin ki besliu kumul omne kila amne ki drop kila amne ki jingkerni jong jindi gubunrukom kila amne ki balak syakatan ki bahi ki bahasem kila amne ki drop out dari school kila bende ki bomdon jingkermen su hagalantiat ki jengki dengan takadau pi ai ka keteng NGO ki kasur jingkermen ban ai jingkermen tin hareng jong area of hope kadon ka lenti ka jingkermen ban pen lenti ya gitu ki bala bakalan lenti ban pen sutu ya gitu ki bala de bakalan ban pen sutu ya ki bala sedang ngok bat kunta dada di kalong ki ka badon kam hadu kata ni songkumen nakalian jong ka sokaru kini di one stop center di wala persyang ban penderikam nakalian jong social welfare department ban pek ban mi na kamta gitu don kam bat mesko ban kentu ye fi society kini ka awareness repair kenang le ban penlong ni sekmat ndon mi dingi ga bajan bat kini department idon gi kenja insentif ki ban nakalian jong department kin ai na kumta ki NGO na kumta society apa tulis kan ai ke awareness di ban dan di trilang na kumta di mento yo mabun balang bat nalor ka jing ka baki katu kan ni kinong song dungi kilayo ka susu aga bede bat kini ka art di bat don di dei ka bajang makam ga fitre ka banukong ka dei ka NDPS andai spa fokusan ka bede song drugs kenai awareness ya ki nong song di jungi kila amni ki dorbar snong kila amni seng samla kila amni seng long kami makin suhu hamba kumno banle kumno ban kem kumno ban fikir abalap ya ki ba khai bat ki bedi drops bat kumju ha ka bedi bat ka pokso akro kumju ka bedi spang kin sa bat bor jong ki thlung ki suna ki babun ki riu thei ki ba mat yang ini kejeng tangba kimnut penitu kilong on notice mdan mo komplain si pulit mdan mo komplain si bisnong ndre kilong ki victim ki basya bande kidon ki buku kimnut penitu denen kagadao hamkam ki kilong suna nasngo ban ai kejeng kublei ka bakapang na kamta dum iya kani kejeng don mensiam jumpi ban shim ya kene kesenjam na gamta hukum kini kita kamlong ga besuk ban persya na gamta ban pensufu awareness ane ban ai counseling ban pensufu ya ki babun ki parang senong di jungi kamkam di balangop hagi ding drop lani gijingti penbuat ki babun rukom lani ki bangat haki jingsya banben kum kajing sya batbor ki kelung ki kena but we getting still ki babu ki badan hakane ki imlang salang ka bangi ngi ya lengba hakane ka perthei ka mutlak bat ka bakundren kani ka kam di ka kam ka bani ano kam di ka kam bani ka mai bisa ngitip ya tapi ki dekat apa biseng ya kono society genre ni hapan ai di ro ya kani ka mensim ka baki pidon phim shop la nyo ya ki ka ibaro jadi si IT ya lagi jong kapor ya lagi jong giding don giding em pas tu tahu tu na ka benta gani giding semua ko bah kidang don kam ya giding persutu giding patai na kalian jong ki gani sinjam ka benta sim ngin don kat berarti kum society anji por ki banwan giding don kam ka don ban persno la banwan ini ok banirat ki kan pala nilai don kat bagi society, bagi SAG, bagi grup berper, ki bala persang bantre ya ki kamon sobha, ki banyarap naga benta ki imlang kesalang itu.
Ya kene society lasdang ya ka hau ubrai di sembarah jaropan, lasdang ki daki katukan ngut kiru sempam, ibadan ketinggi jengai. Na benta kabah kami timlang salang jom kathai ibro koe te kunju iwe na kita kiba lasdang ya kene ide i ba nil jadi ongir iba lanjut try keleng kum hati substance abuse di mental health di HIV AIDS control jom kadala bat haki counseling berkira rehabilitation center bakar repair te ke thong bat kamram jom kani ke counseling center lamba kani ka society gedungi kalong ban wanra ya ka bahaga me ke lang salang ha ke jing yi gedungi ba ke jing jelai jom kani ki kam jing di ba pun buai kala jur sama pelat haki kun samla iba mentah tekane kan bu jima kan ta ya kalau we ke basikman te lor ta kadau ni daka jingadon lang katu kan ingun ni sim karai bom yen sedang bande na banta kenang ban khanglat ne ban da yagi khna kiban sahe san bakin lain na kane jima kumbang tip ba kane ka jinglong kerni hakini ki kampan buai kata bangiong ke addiction ya kaba lapan bena wat daga WHO haus nam kendai spa san kopra ba kadai kita cimpang kaba kabangila ban sumar mrei kabangimla pada ban koi.
The main idea of opening this particular society, Kasur Jinkerman Society, came into place in the month of December 2022. With myself, Banil, Vincent, Justin, and some other board members coming together to try to solve, the drug menace problem that we are facing very widely in almost all districts of Meghalaya. No. So, having said that, the first step towards attaining that goal would be for us to open a treatment and counseling center, which we have done today. Hopefully in the near future we will also be able to have our own rehabilitation center within Riboy district, where the fees and charges will be very less compared to other private centers, but very expensive. Okay, so we are trying to provide a very minimum cost-effective treatment plan for all people who are suffering from addiction, alcoholic and also drug abuse. Because presently what is in place all over Meghalaya and Shillong is very expensive. Going to hospital comes to 30,000-40,000 rupees per visit for them to have a basic detoxification. So we want to bring it down so that at least those people who cannot afford, who are from below the poverty line, they can afford that kind of treatment. And our main vision and goal is not only particularly like Ba Medal had said earlier, to do only with addiction. We are also looking into women's rights. We are also looking into adolescent mental health and SRHR, which is reproductive health rights. And we just want society to become a better place. What I have noticed, I work extensively in Shillong. So the drug situation over there has become so huge that you have children who are as young as 12, 13 years old injecting drugs. Right. So having being now I have settled in Riboy district in Nongpo. I don't want the same situation to arise in Nongpo and things to be in such a bad condition where even if we try to make an impact, it will be of no use. So we have to try to lower that demand of drugs that is coming into society now, so that we do not reach that stage where even if we open a center later on, it will just be like a business plan. It will not really be doing any good for anyone.
Bangin sekali pak ya kenika counseling treatment center jongka suruh Jinkerman society ni ot on ribon bang kitbok tu yang bagian society kanian baik banang siu. Dawai
kedawai tersebut nanti benar sesat dari secretary. Masalah alam banyak kedawai bersoal tentang dan pada prescription lain secretary. Dan ini associate working, kemudian tentang sudah